Good morning, sweeties. My name is Zariah. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Your support is always appreciated. Y'all, I don't even want to be up right now, but I'm filming this video for y'all. Because I really be sleeping through my classes. I'm going to be realistic with y'all. I really do be sleeping through my classes. But today, we're going to be productive. We're getting stuff done today. So anyways, I'm finna, let me get my internet on here before I start doing too much. But right now I'm finna join my class. I have my school computer with me, and then I have my personal computer with me. This is the computer I'm gonna use. The only reason I have two computers is because this is the computer I'm gonna use to plan out my day. Like this is my personal computer, and then this is gonna be the computer I use for school because I go to school in person and I bring this computer. So like my work, like so anyways, rude. Anyways, all my recent work that I've done is on here because we just got off spring break and Monday was a teacher work day. So I just went back yesterday, which is Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. So yeah. The ghetto. Where is, okay, how am I supposed to, oh, it's right in my face. I'm finna connect this to my Wi-Fi, and I'm gonna get started, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm planning out my day. I'm back. They playing a Kahoot, and I'm not finna play because it don't count towards my grade 1. And 2, I don't want to. Like, I don't know half of that stuff. That's the story for another day. But the agenda for today, we're supposed to do school. Today is a short day, like I mentioned before. I think I mentioned before it was a short day. I don't know. But it's a short day, so which means we probably won't be doing much. So that means I probably won't have to really participate as much as I would have to do on a full day. I'm going to get dressed and take pictures for Instagram because I need to do that because I'm trying to become an influencer on Instagram and on YouTube, and I can't do that if I'm not doing anything, you know? And we're going to be doing a video because I do want to film another video. I have to get 2 videos out this week because I think I filmed and got out 2 videos last week, so I need to get these 2 videos out this week. But yeah, so I'm going to be filming a video on how I take my pictures. I think that's the video I'm going to do today, how I take my pictures by myself, since I am taking pictures today. I'm gonna just plan out my day. I use Notion to do stuff like that, like plan out my day, you know, plan out my week, you know, all that type of stuff, and all that. This class is over. I see people leaving, so I'm gonna leave too because who finna stay? Okay, I think my next class starts at like 10:30, 10:35 or something like that. I don't know, something like that. But yeah, so I just got, it's 10:20, well 10:19, but it's about to be 10:20. So I guess we got out early because she ain't had nothing else for us to do. Like I said, it's a short day, so I'm just gonna leave that there until it's time to get to my next class. Alright, y'all, in my kitchen. You know, I remember telling y'all that I'm moving, and I did move. This is my new kitchen. That was my new room that we was in. Room tour coming soon. I just have to do a few more things, and then I'll be with y'all. So I'm finna make breakfast. My little cousin came. She's actually in my room now, and I'm finna make me and her some waffles. my living room now, and basically what I'm gonna do is edit for a while. It's currently 12:30. I don't even know if I'm still supposed to be in class or not, because I think our lunch starts at 1:30. I don't remember this schedule, but anyways, I've basically just been editing. Like, if you see, I don't know if you can see. Can you see it? I don't know. I'll see later. But yeah, oh, got a little messed up. Anyways, but yeah, I basically just been editing this video and just trying to chop it down as much as I can, so that way this video can go up tomorrow, because you know I've been slacking. Back with y'all. I'm going to film the intro part. I'm going to film the get ready with me part. Then I'm gonna come back with y'all so y'all can see the outfit, the hair, the lips, Hey vlog, I'm back. As y'all can see, ooh, y'all almost fell. As y'all can see, I am dressed per. It's the knees for me. But I just finished filming the first part of my taking my pictures with me and stuff. So now I'm finna film the part where I actually take the pictures and stuff and just kind of show them, and then you'll see the clip of me actually taking the pictures, because like I said, it's gonna be in the vlog. Before I take my pictures, I gotta eat, because like I told my other video this, but I'm very freaking jittery. Like, I'm just hyper because I had coffee this morning, as y'all saw, and now like my hands shaking, my legs shaking. I was doing my mascara and I could barely do it because my hands were shaking when I was doing it. I almost poked my freaking eye out 50 times. Oh, falling. Oh Lord, oh Jesus, oh Lord, oh God. I have some pizza rolls. This is the ones I eat. Yes. I'll have some pizza rolls before I go back there and take my pictures. I got set up anyway, so yeah. Okay, vlog. I just got done taking my pictures. If you want to see the pictures, go to my Instagram at @Zaraya. It'll be here on the screen. Hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I'm trying to get into vlogging, because I actually like doing it. Like, it was actually fun today. And the editing of vlog is so, what's it called, satisfying to me. Like, I don't know, I just like doing it or whatever, especially the aesthetic part of it, where you kind of just quiet for it, and then you show your daily routine in the beginning, those type of vlogs. I love those type of vlogs, and for me to be able to do it, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, sweeties.